And this is what I did get. A nice little table full again, but big profit to be made as always. Welcome back to a new week of Buy Sell Repeat. My name's George Ross, this is Retro Reselling, and this is Wednesday. Obviously I've said before, if you've seen the channel before, there's 2 boot sales. I do one week, I do this boot sale, another week I'll do the other boot sale. Yeah, sort of do that one week on and off. I've actually decided to stick to this one boot sale for now, because this one does vintage, retro, collectibles, quirky stuff, all the stuff that I'm into. The other one's more general, so if I wanted trainers, general electronics, things like that, football boots, I'd go to the other one, which is huge. But yeah, this one's smaller than that one, but yeah, it's cool, quirky stuff. If you are new around here, I basically buy and sell things from places like boot sales, charity shops, auctions, places like that. Buy them cheap, and then I sell them online, mostly eBay, Amazon, Depop, Facebook, YouTube I sell on. Buy it cheap, sell it for more, keep that process going. That's my business. If that sounds like your type of thing, like making money online, turning things for a profit, then yeah, head over, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell for all notifications. I do go live randomly throughout the week sometimes, and if you've hit that bell, you know exactly when I do go live, so you can join in with the fun. And also when I upload new videos, you'll get notified straight away. Nice full field again, so I'm looking forward to getting in there. It is a smaller one, but there's going to be quality. Well, I hope there's going to be quality to buy. So let's get in there. Come with me through the GoPro or my backpack, see what I find or don't find, put down, pay up for, hopefully get some money off. That's the key at the moment. I'm trying to save some money. Just ask the question, will you take this off? Save £1 here and there, £5 here and there, all adds up. I'll see you back at the unit with hopefully a nice lot of stuff. How much on them?
£10. 5 pairs, it's 27. 25 months. There we are. Which one is 7? Huh? What's the difference? Huh? 27 is my best.
We do 5 for them?
No, sorry.
7?
No, 10 is my lowest.
Has to be 10. Okay. There you go. Thank you. How much on the pots and pans?
They're 5 of each.
Okay.
Wait.
How much of Betty?
It's an original.
120?
Yeah, I've had her for a long time, and she's been sitting there. She's just got earrings missing. They were missing when I got her.
Yeah.
But as I say, no breakages or anything. She's been sitting there. Just well, I need the room now.
Yeah.
But that's not 3.5 worth really.
Yeah.
No, it's not a reproduction or nothing.
No. It's nice.
Alright, Nick.
How much is that one, baseball?
£5.
I'll say no at £5.
15. Let's go for £3. That do it?
I was going to ask 10.
Yeah.
It's like,
I'll take that down.
I think I paid more than that.
I'll take it. £5, yeah. Cool. There you go. Thank you.
The shoes.
The cotton candy ones, £5. Just the moment.
Yeah. Right, yeah. What's that? £3 each.
How much are they?
10 and 10 and that, yeah.
How much are the ball games?
£3 for that one.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. But I said there's loads.
Go have another look. It's alright. Keep hold of it.
Oh, you see that? Yeah,
How about that one as well? 30. That
well,
one's that.
£30 for that, you can have the game.
Alright. That's alright.
I tell you what's in there somewhere.
How much is...
Tenner for that. Let's keep you out.
Would you do 8 on that one? You know?
Let me find out for you. John? With that one.
It's a tenner. I told him already. Nice, that is another.
Will we take 8?
No, it's a tenner. It's a bargain in its box.
Yeah. How much is that one? Okay. Would you do 8 on that one? Yeah, thank you. I got the right change.
Oh.
So yeah.
You're a man
6,
prepared.
7, 8. There you go.
God bless
Lovely.
you, sir.
Thank
very
you.
much.
Cheers. Thank you. See you later.
What are you offering them?
No, I already got one.
100 quid, that's it.
You not have any more to dinner?
No.
No.
Saturday, I'm working Saturdays now.
Alright. Last year I bought some.
Yeah, I do. But you won't see one in 1980s though, man.
Nice. How much are they win?
25. There's a pair on the internet exactly the same, on 60 quid.
Alright.
You see, you use baby wipes.
Yes, that's
Put that baby wipe on that, come up lovely. We won't pick one as good as that for 100 quid. But even if I put that in auction, I'll make that.
How much are them ones? Okay. Did they used to be that colour, did they? Oh, they're quite worn away. Small. We do £3 on them. Cool. Four. Let's have a look. Yeah, I'll take them for 4. Morning, you alright? How you going on? 50p?
Oh, it's you.
Thank you very much for that. Thanks.
Really good sale yet again, and I met the most subscribers I think I've ever met. I think must have been at least 8 or 10 today. So hi to everyone, really appreciate everyone saying hi. Some regular faces and some new ones, so all good to see everyone. Names go in my head and they go back out again, so apologies for names. But yeah, really appreciate everyone that did say hi, and appreciate the couple of deals I got as well. And this is what I did get, a nice little table full again, but big profit to be made as always. Sort of shoes, got these two from the same people, different times. I got these at the start. Dr. Martens, standard sort of shoe, nothing special edition or anything, not made in England. £10, they weren't coming down from that. I was asking, but yeah, it wasn't budging, and they just set up, so I don't think they're willing to take prices down just yet. Size 3, so it could be a small women's, yeah, not the best size. But from £10, this should be a nice £35 to £40 sale. Good condition overall, a little bit of wear, nice bill payer. And I got these as well a bit later on. They're a bit worn, but I've got my polish. They did take £1 off these ones, so I paid £4. They look rough, obviously now. Obviously all folded down. Yeah, they don't look anything special, but these are the TOTS TV ones that I say. Kickers, made in France. Once I've polished them up a bit, this should be a nice deeper brown colour, sort of medium tan brown. Obviously, they're not going to be like this in my listing. That looks atrocious. Might need to change the laces. But yeah, £4, maybe £3 for a couple of pairs of laces. Make them look good, but spend 5-10 minutes on them, making them look fresh. And that'll be a nice, again, £30-35 sale. Yeah, I'll keep you updated with what these do look like in the end. But yeah, no problems there. There's no proper damage, really. Lots of wear left. Just got to put a bit of work in. I sold one of these yesterday actually, which is why I picked this one up for £5. This is Rowlins, just a baseball glove, like a long fingered one, I think it's called. A deep well pocket basket web. They can come shorter, like I picked a vintage one up at this sale last week, and it's like a shorter one. This one's got longer fingers. That's a vintage one though, that's really cool. Yeah, £5, again, £25-30, really clean, looks hardly used at all. Not as easy to come across baseball items here in the UK, so not as much competition. Again, just keeping that mid-range sales ticking in and easy to pack. Talking of mid-range standard sales, nice vintage Cluedo for £3. Pick this up all the time, even if it's not complete, I don't mind picking up for cheap. Got loads of spare parts in there, so I can complete it no problem. Amazon box to go with all the rest. £25, maybe 30. I've been getting 25 for these easy. As soon as it hits the warehouse they sell, so maybe try a bit higher. Get as much money as I can out of it. And if you do sell these on eBay, this is probably only a £10-12 sale maybe on eBay. That's why I send these up to Amazon. You get nearly double the price and it's out of the way until it does sell at the Amazon's warehouse. Got this really nice projector. I've had this plenty of times as well, so I knew I was in for a sure sort of £50 to £60 on this one. Had to pay 10. They weren't coming down from that. I did try again. Yeah, people don't seem to want to budge too much of this one. They know what they've got and it's cheap anyway, which is fair enough, I guess. Hopefully the belts are all good. Even if I test it and it's not working properly, The belts are easy to change. I've actually got a spare one at the moment. Just a nice projector with the original box. £10 to 50 to 60, having that all day long. This was probably the deal of the day here. £5 each, which is incredible for this Le Creuset, however you say it. Pots and pans in like the classic, most popular orange sort of sunburst design and colour. They've obviously had some wear, but yeah, in really good overall condition. Le Creuset is nice and quality, really heavy, cast iron. Yeah, 3 items here, £5 each, so it owes me £15 altogether. Didn't ask on a deal on these because that's dirt cheap anyway. Anything else is sort of taking the mick a little bit, especially when I'm sort of probably going to get sort of £45 to £50 per item. So £5.50, £5.50, £5.50, boom. So yeah, just got to be careful when packing these because cast iron, even though it's very heavy and hard wearing, it can be brittle. So this could snap off if not packed correctly. So take note of that if you do pick this stuff up. These are a bit different. I haven't seen this company before. This is the Art Company. Quite quirky, quite different. That's why they stood out to me. Nice thick sole. Art personal boots. What's this? Made in Spain, which is quite cool. I believe the rocker boots, if you see me sell new rock before, like the goth boots, they're made in Spain. It's sort of similar, like really thick sole here, made in Spain. Paid 15, which is paying up a little bit. Looked them up, haven't sold this before, but should be getting a nice at least £45–50 again, which is fine with me. 15 to 45–50, easy pack, easy picture and everything. Yeah, perfect. So the last thing that I did pay money for, I got a freebie here, we'll come on to that in a minute. This was from a subscriber actually. We've got a Pioneer Blu-ray 3D player, BDP 430. I paid £50 for this, a bullseye. Was asking 60. I got it for 50, and again paying up, but it was a subscriber, showed me it on the spot. I could look it up, and yeah, this should be £150 to pushing £200 for this Blu-ray, which blew my mind. But yeah, saw it from my own eyes, this exact number. I've actually tested it just now and it's all fully working, works like a dream. So yeah, 50 to 150, pushing 200, awesome score. Thanks so much for the deal. Made a new contact, so hopefully there'll be some future deals as well. And last pickup, even though it was a freebie, so thanks so much. Again, another subscriber who was selling, or he was supposed to be selling, naughty, getting in there early. But yeah, got this, how do you say this, Hinari Genie, I think that's Hinari. It's like a food blender mixer, mix, chop, blend, whip, grind, puree, grate, juice. Yeah, 8-in-1 blender, mashes the fruit and veg up however you want it. Cool little thing. Said he got it from his nan. Nan gave it to him. She looks like she's hardly used it, if at all, maybe once or twice, which is really cool. And yeah, donated it to me as a thanks for doing the channel, which I really appreciate. Thanks again, mate, for this. And this should be sort of a £20–25 sale, which is really cool. Yeah, really appreciate it. And that's all my pickups, sort of short and sweet. Not too many pickups, not like overloading a table, like multiple tables full of stuff. Which would be ideal, full of quality stuff. But yeah, loads of profit to be made as usual, like I said. And yeah, just really nice to see everyone that did say hi to me. Sold 2 badges in person, which brings me on to a badge sale that I got to say thanks to. And this badge sale, single badge sale, is from Caitlin, but is for her mum, who is Nettie, who really enjoys the channel, always watches the videos when they come out. So yeah, thanks so much, Nettie. Hope you enjoy this from Caitlin. Yeah, going out today, so hopefully with you by the weekend. Thanks again for all the support. Thanks for enjoying the videos. Yeah, really appreciate the message, appreciate the sale. Helps obviously support me and the channel, making videos and everything. So yeah, nice one, thank you. That's the end of this video. Like the video if you did enjoy it. Subscribe if you're not already to have future videos like this and others. Might start doing different videos. Been doing lots of boot sale videos that people enjoy. I enjoy doing them. So yeah, I want to try and start doing more different videos if I can. Charity shops, sold videos, maybe morning readies might come back. Don't hold me to it, but yeah, planning hopefully to bring it back soon. Lots of stuff to come on the channel, not running out of ideas yet. Yeah, plenty more from me to come. So with that being said, I'm gonna crack on with this lot and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.